Good morning to all students of class 9th in physics classes through online classes run by TSS RDP Kaliganj Belodi, and this subject is being taught by R.N. Rai. First of all, I want to teach you about the derivation of velocity and time relation by graphical method. Here the figure is shown the velocity time graph for uniformly accelerated motion along a straight line. Let an object starts to go from the point O, covering OA is equal to initial velocity with time t barabar 0, and with time OC is equal to t is equal to 5 seconds, it covers OD is equal to V final velocity. From the graph AB straight line, graph is drawn between time and velocity, which indicates acceleration. Now we know that acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time taken. The BC minus GC by AG or OC is equal to BG by AG. BG is equal to V minus U by T, and A is equal to V minus U by T, or AT is equal to V minus U, U plus AT barabar V, V is equal to U plus AT. That's all. Now, determination of position time relation by graphical method. With above figure, distance traveled by an object, supposing S is equal to area of trapezium, OABGC. So we know that area of triangle ABG and area of the rectangle OAGC. Area of triangle ABG half into base into height. Here is base AG and height is equal to BG, plus area of rectangle, we know that length into breadth, so length is equal to AG and breadth is equal to OA. 1 by 2 AG indicates T into BG indicates V minus U, plus AG indicates T and OA indicates initial velocity U. Half into T, we know that V minus U is equal to AT. So AT is being put instead of V minus U, plus T into U means UT, and after that we get 1 by 2 AT square plus UT proved, which was to be proved. Now page number 2. Now page number 2, look at derivation of position and velocity relation by graphical method. Prove that V square minus U square plus 2AS, where U is equal to initial velocity, B is equal to final velocity, A is equal to acceleration, and S is equal to distance covered by an object. With the graph which is given to you, OX and OY. At OX axis time is given and OY axis velocity is given. Now again consider the velocity time graph for a uniformly acceleration motion along a straight line which is shown in figure 1.24. Distance travelled S, which is equal to area OABGC. S is equal to area of trapezium. We know that area of trapezium is equal to half the sum of parallel sides into height. 1 by 2 sum of parallel side means OA plus BC into height is equal to AG, and 1 by 2 OA is equal to initial velocity and BC is equal to final velocity, which is indicating V, and AG indicates T. So 1 by 2 U plus V into T is equal to V minus U, because we know that V minus U is equal to AT. So T will be V minus U by A. Putting the value of T, V minus U by A. So we see S is equal to 1 by 2 U plus V into V minus U. We know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So u plus b into b minus u is equal to b square minus u square by 2a. On doing calculation by cross multiplication, we get 2a into s is equal to 2as is equal to b square minus u square. B square minus u square, which was to be proved. Thank you for this till now. So further lesson will be taught.
तो बच्चों अभी ले रहे थे रामानंद सर क्लास 9 के फिजिक्स। आप लोग समझ गए होंगे। आप लोग अच्छे से घर में रहें, सुरक्षित रहें और ऑनलाइन के माध्यम से अपना पठन पाठन करते रहें। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद। फिर मिलेंगे अगले वीडियोज़ में।